If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? See the yellow line? We're installing gas lines. If you were to show this, you could tell the buyer, you're putting new gas lines in there. The yellow line is gonna run right from there all the way up to the house. This house didn't have gas in Rhode Island. If the gas gets turned off for too long, they have to rerun the line. Why? Because they charge $800 to redo it again. And two, when they disconnect it, now they want to rerun a line through the house. What happens lately in Rhode Island and in the winter, they have what's called a moratorium on putting in gas lines. You're gonna see this if you do any new construction, or you'll see this if you do main roads. Moratoriums when you can't cut into the street, so they won't allow you to cut into the road, so because of that you can't put a gas line in. So sometimes in Providence on new construction like 2 families, they'll have propane because they won't allow the contractor to do it. Either it's too cold or they just redid the street and they'll force you to repay for it, okay?